All right, everybody, this is, what day is it? April 29th. And this is an important update that you're going to notice when you log into Command today. And I would apologize for not letting you know about this update sooner, but we weren't allowed to talk about it. And then all of a sudden it just showed up. But it's something really cool, and you got to keep listening. When you log into Command, you're going to see a blue bar up here that says growing your business just got easier. That's right. You can now add support staff as guest users and grow your business anytime, all from team management and Command. Now, none of you probably know what that means, but what you will notice is, at least I did, is when you look at your name up here, it is now going to say your name, business. It's like a team account, but you are not a team. They are changing all solo people, and I hesitate there, because I want you to think of all solo agents are rephrased as solo agent business, because some of you may not have a licensed member on your team, but you just want to add a guest. And you could only do that if we turned you into a team. So the teams are going to stay teams. Add members, delete members, give them permissions, all of that stuff. But you as a solo agent now running a business and categorized as a business can add guests to your Command, where they'll have their own username and password to log into Command, but they'll have access to yours. Or you can add them as a team member. Okay, and I know that's a little confusing. They can be a guest or a team member. You weren't able to add team members until today unless you were a team. So everybody's name has been recategorized as your business is your name and business. For anybody that's thinking about reporting, this doesn't affect reporting. You're not going to show up as a team if you add a guest. If you add a licensed team member, now you become a team. If you add 2 licensed team members, now you become a group. So if you have any questions about this, again, everybody now should see underneath their name, your name and business, which means it's now easier. It just says here, like I said, growing your business just got easier. You can now add support staff as guest users. I hope that makes sense. I repeated myself a number of times. I'm sure I'm going to get questions about this, but here this video is to help you out with that. Okay? Thanks.